Welcome! In this quick and helpful Excel tutorial, you'll learn how to use 3 powerful Excel formulas: take, drop, sort, and filter functions. With simple examples and clear steps, great for beginners who want to level up their Excel game. Let's begin with the first example. Imagine you have a list of products from product A to product J in column A, and their sales numbers in column B, ranging from 1,000 to 3,000. Now, you want to sort these by sales from highest to lowest. Skip the top 2 best sellers, and then pick the next 5. Sounds fun, right? Here's the formula to do that. This formula works like magic. First, it sorts the list from biggest to smallest sales. Then, it drops the top 2 rows, and finally, it takes the next 5. This is great when you want to check the middle performers and ignore the top ones. Now, let's go to the second example. Suppose you again have products with sales numbers, but this time you just want to drop the top 3 highest selling products and focus on the rest. Here's the formula you'll need. It simply sorts your data in descending order and removes the top 3. This is perfect when you want to see which products are not in the top but are still important. Moving on to the third and final example. Let's say your product names include items like pen, pencil, bag, and more, and their sales numbers range from 310 to 1,000. Now, you want to look only at products with sales above 500. Sort them from highest to lowest, and keep all of them. No skipping. Here's the formula for that. This one first filters the products with sales over 500, sorts them from highest to lowest, and keeps all the rows by dropping 0. It's a smart way to clean up your data and focus on what matters. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like the video if it helped you, and subscribe for more simple Excel tips.